In this video, you are going to learn how to create paragraph and line break in a web page. Previously, you have learned how to create heading. So this line, paragraph and line break, I am creating using the heading tag. Now, if you want to create paragraph, you simply use this P tag. P tag stands for paragraph. Paragraph means a block of text. So whenever you want to write a block of text in your web page, you simply put some text between the opening and closing tag of paragraph. So I am importing some text here from other document, and this is a paragraph I am going to publish in my web page. So let's save it and see what is the output. So now the paragraph appears. Like the heading tag, paragraph tag also creates one empty line above and below the paragraph. But you can see here that inside the paragraph there is a line break, but it does not appear on the web page. It is because in the editor mode, if you write using the enter sign and then create a paragraph, it does not appear in the web page. If you want to enter the effect of the enter key, then you have to place the line break tag. That is the break tag. So break tag you can use inside a paragraph or outside a paragraph. Break tag actually creates a new line when you do not want to create a new paragraph but just want to create a new line. So if you apply the break tag here, which is BR, it is an empty tag, so it does not have a closing tag, but paragraph tag is a container tag. So let's save this portion and see the output. Now you can see where I have placed the BR tag. I have placed the BR tag after the first sentence. So rest of the sentences appear at the bottom of the first line. So BR tag does not create a new paragraph. It just forces a line break inside a paragraph. You can also use this BR tag outside a paragraph. Just like when I am copying this text and placing it outside a paragraph, I am just placing it outside the paragraph. So when I save it and you can see the output, see, so break tag also applies outside the paragraph, but you can also see the paragraph tag creates an empty line above the paragraph and an empty line below the paragraph. But break tag does not create such any empty lines. It only forces a line break. Now for the paragraph tag, there is an attribute called align. This align attribute works just like the MS Office. In MS Office, there are 4 values of the align attribute for a paragraph: left, right, center and justify. Similarly, you can also have them here. So you can type right alignment, so the paragraph will be right aligned. Now the paragraph is right aligned. If you put center for the attribute value of align, then the paragraph will be appeared centrally. But you can't apply any set alignment value outside the paragraph. Definitely, because it is align attribute is the attribute of paragraph tag. Now the other attribute is justify. Remember, the default attribute value of align is left. So it does not matter whether you put the value left or not. By default it will appear as the left alignment. So it is the value of justify attribute. In HTML, there is another tag called center, but which you can use outside the paragraph tag. The center tag is an container tag and you can apply this to create any element centrally on your web page, whether it is inside a paragraph or outside the paragraph, because align attribute is only applicable to the h1 tag and the p tag only. So whenever you want to put any other element centrally in your web page, you can also use this center tag. So this is all about the paragraph and line break tag.